Have you ever thought that a simple glass of carrot juice before bed could unlock amazing health benefits? Welcome to today's video. From boosting your immune system to helping you sleep better, carrot juice is a natural way to improve your well-being. Stay tuned as we look at why this colorful drink is great for your nightly routine. Plus, I will share some procedure on how to prepare carrot juice and the best time to drink it. Let's get started. Here are the benefits of drinking carrot juice at night. Starting with the first one, improves eye health. Drinking carrot juice at night isn't just a trend. It's a proven way to boost your eye health. Carrots are packed with nutrients like beta-carotene, which our bodies turn into vitamin A, essential for good vision and preventing night blindness. Benefits. Number 2. Boosts immune system. Could a simple glass of carrot juice before bed be the secret to a stronger immune system? Drinking carrot juice at night can give your immune system a powerful boost. Carrot juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps your body produce white blood cells, essential for fighting off infections. Next is, prevents cancer. Incorporating carrot juice into your nightly routine can be highly beneficial for cancer prevention. Carrot juice is not just rich in beta-carotene. It also contains a range of cancer-fighting agents. Antioxidants like lutein and polyacetylenes found in carrot juice have been studied for their ability to combat cancer cells. Number 4. Cardiovascular health. Curious about how a simple glass of carrot juice before bed could be your heart's best friend? Drinking carrot juice at night can greatly enhance your heart health. Carrot juice is rich in potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels by balancing the effects of sodium in your diet. Benefits. Number 5. It detoxifies the liver. Carrot juice is a great ally for your liver, especially when consumed at night. This vibrant drink is loaded with nutrients that support liver detoxification. One of the key nutrients is beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is crucial for liver health. Number 6. Improves brain health. Drinking carrot juice at night can improve brain health and cognitive function. Carrot juice is rich in nutrients like beta-carotene and lutein, which help protect against memory loss and cognitive decline. Next, regulates blood sugar. Carrot juice plays an interesting role in regulating blood sugar levels. Carrots have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar into the bloodstream slowly, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels, especially important before bedtime. Benefits. Number 8. It promotes healthy pregnancy. Carrot juice is an excellent choice for promoting a healthy pregnancy. It's rich in essential nutrients like calcium, folate, and vitamins A and C, all of which are crucial for fetal development and the health of pregnant women. Number 9. Enhances sleep quality. Did you know that your evening glass of carrot juice might be more than just a healthy habit? It's actually a natural sleep aid? Carrot juice is packed with nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which are known for their sleep-enhancing properties. And lastly, it helps in age-related erectile dysfunction. Carrot juice might seem like just a healthy drink, but it has surprising benefits for age-related erectile dysfunction, ED. Carrots are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that are crucial for maintaining good vascular health, which is essential for erectile function. And there you have it, the 10 incredible benefits of carrot juice. Now, let me share how to prepare it and the ideal quantity to consume at night. Here's how you can make it to get the most out of its health properties. Ingredients: 4 to 5 large carrots, washed and peeled. Half-inch piece of ginger, optional for added flavor and digestive benefits. Half apple or a small beet, optional for sweetness and additional nutrients. Instructions: chop the carrots. Cut the carrots into smaller pieces that can easily fit into your juicer. Add variety. If you're using ginger, apple, or beet, chop them into small pieces as well. Juicing. Place all the ingredients into your juicer. Start with the carrots, followed by ginger or apple, or beet if you're using them. Stir and serve. Once juiced, give it a good stir. You can drink it as is, or over a few ice cubes if you prefer it chilled. Storage. If you're not drinking it immediately, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, but it's best consumed fresh. Dosage. A glass of carrot juice, approximately 8 Oz each night, is sufficient to enjoy its health benefits. Remember, moderation is key. Too much carrot juice can lead to carotenemia, a harmless condition where your skin turns a bit yellow-orange due to high levels of beta-carotene in your body. And that end of our exploration of the amazing benefits of drinking carrot juice at night. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your sleep quality, this vibrant drink truly is your nighttime best friend. Remember, incorporating carrot juice into your nightly routine can bring a multitude of health benefits, from improved eye health to better heart function. Tell us, what are your thoughts on these benefits? Have you tried drinking carrot juice at night? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and insights. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.